Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're going to be making watermelon water in the Ninja Foodi blender. You guys, it's super quick, it's really refreshing, so be ready you guys, it's super good. And if you're interested in any of the items that I used today in the video, be sure to check the description box below. I will have all of the links to the items that I use. And make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more Ninja Foodi blender recipes coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. But let's go ahead and dive right in. Alright, so today we're going to need 4 cups of watermelon cubed. You're going to need 2 cups of water and then 1 cup of water for a total of 3 cups. We're separating it, so 1 cup of water will go in the blender with the watermelon, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and the juice of 1 lime, and I used the juicer here. It's just 1 lime. And also, when you're cubing your watermelon, I'm a sucker for nifty tools to make life easier. And I found this on, I feel like it was BuzzFeed or something. But basically, it's a watermelon tool that you just scrape through, and it cubes the watermelon evenly. And it's quick. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'll have the link in the description box below. But let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and add our watermelon. And you're going to want to do this slowly so that we don't spill. Okay. Juice of 1 lime and the sugar. Okay, now we can add our lid. Turn it on, and we're going to blend on high until everything is incorporated. So it might take about 2 cycles, but let's go ahead and see. So we're going to blend high. Alright, so we're going to do 1 more cycle. We're going to blend on high one last time. Blend. Alright, so now that the cycle is complete, we can go ahead and strain it into our pitcher. So I'm actually going to come around here. Let's see. So I just have this strainer. If you're interested, there's 3 of them in a pack on Amazon for about $12. So I'll have the link there below. Alright, and you could just discard the pulp. I'm going to put that right here. Add the remaining water. Mix. And then let's do the taste test. Alright, and there we go. I added some ice. Let's go ahead and do the taste test. So good. It's really refreshing, you guys. Make sure you hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more Ninja Foodi blender recipes coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. Check out the playlist of summer waters. I believe I called it Agua Frescas. But check that out. Until next time, you guys have a great night.